What if a delicious drink, one that feels like a dessert, could actually outperform the little blue pill while protecting your heart? Today I'm showing you how to make liquid black, a natural elixir that's been hiding in plain sight. Hi, I'm Dr. Liora Bennett. Most health advice tells you what to avoid, but today I'm telling you what to add. We're talking about a biological breakthrough observed in the Kuna Indians, a group with 0 cases of hypertension or heart disease, even into old age. The secret isn't in their genes, it's in their cup. Let's get into the science of aging in reverse. To see a massive improvement in performance, you must have healthy arteries. Your blood vessels are lined with endothelium, cells that produce nitric oxide. As we age, these vessels stiffen and production drops. Modern science found that the Kuna Indians drink 5 cups of flavonoid-rich cocoa daily. I'm not talking about sugary hot chocolate. I'm talking about pure organic cacao. A study of 101 men with performance issues showed that drinking high flavanol cocoa for 12 weeks led to a staggering 79% to 83% improvement in those with mild to moderate symptoms. Why does it work? It repairs the endothelial lining, allowing your vessels to dilate and expand like a 20-year-old's. Here is the liquid black recipe. 1. Get high-quality, organic, non-alkalized cocoa powder. 2. Mix 1 scoop into hot water. 3. Add a teaspoon of raw honey, which is packed with zinc and helps regulate blood sugar. Stir it up and enjoy. This simple habit targets blood pressure, inflammation, and blood flow all at once. Whether you're a smoker looking to repair your vessels or just someone wanting a natural edge, this tonic is a game changer. But remember, too much can make you jittery, so listen to your body and consult your physician before starting new rituals. Comment below. Have you ever tried raw cacao, or are you sticking to grocery store chocolate? Let's talk about it. Hit that like button and subscribe to join our mission for 1 million healthy men. I'm Dr. Liora Bennett. Stay strong.